Fatigue data. The Extended Range module houses a wealth of fatigue data along with other advanced data. In this example, we see a widely used carbon steel with strain life parameters listed under 5 different conditions. Experimental data is shown along with comments on the tests and the source of the data. It's easy to choose from a short list of conditions and view the diagrams. You can hover over the data points and even zoom in. Choose to display the data as an SN curve with elastic and plastic deformation shown, or choose a cyclic curve. For this material, we also have stress life parameters for a large number of conditions. The condition selector allows you to choose temperatures and standards quickly, and to filter conditions by heat treatment, form, specimen size, direction, loading condition, and ratio. Here we'll choose a rotating bending test for round bars. The experimental data can be seen beside the tabulated data. You can switch to a curve that also shows standard deviations. Finally, you can display a statistical analysis and even select the confidence band appropriate for your project.